2024 wrapping up now. Kentucky's Attorney General Russell Coleman is reflecting on the work done by his staff throughout the year.
WKYT's Jessica Umbro sat down with Attorney General Coleman about some of his biggest efforts made in office this year. It's our top story at 4:30.
Attorney General Russell Coleman says that his first year in office has been about answering a key question: what can be done to protect Kentucky families?
It is much more than I anticipated in the sense of the caliber of the work that happens here in the Attorney General's office.
Coleman says the ongoing opioid abatement program is a top priority, including providing treatment and recovery for Kentuckians struggling with addiction. He's also launched lawsuits against corporations he says are behind the drug crisis.
Our measure of success will be saving lives, and I couldn't be more excited about our effort to create a prevention program, a statewide scaled-up prevention program here in the Commonwealth.
In October, Coleman sued TikTok, saying it's a platform that's targeted children and pushed an addictive platform through their algorithm for providing content. He says it goes beyond just the app.
We're going to go to where the threats are. We're going to take these platforms out one at a time, but I would say from our perspective, the most exigent threat in this social media space is TikTok.
And in recent days, AG Coleman announced that he would be leading an 18-state effort to display the 10 Commandments in public school classrooms. Louisiana passed the law before it was blocked by a federal district court judge. In 1980, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that a similar Kentucky law was unconstitutional.
It's in context. That's what we're seeking to do, to present those critical foundations to our school kids.
Attorney General Coleman said he's optimistic about the progress that he says has already been made to protect Kentuckians, and he says it's work that will continue into 2025. In Frankfort, Jessica Umbro, WKYT.
Two of Coleman's key talking points today, TikTok and the 10 Commandments, have both been in the national conversation now for months. The Supreme Court is set to hear arguments in January about the constitutionality of the federal ban on TikTok. Meanwhile, groups in opposition to the 10 Commandments in public schools say they are focused on separation of church and state.